Welcome, all of you. The topic for the discussion is preconditioning, the technique which is used in extrusion before actual extrusion. We will see detail. What exactly is the preconditioning? Preconditioning means to condition or prepare a material before it is processed further. In the context of the extrusion process, preconditioning occurs just prior to the extrusion inside a piece of equipment called preconditioner. The preconditioned raw material exits the preconditioner and moves into the extruder for further processing down the line. The dry raw material is conditioned or prepared by addition of water and steam in a continuous mixing environment. This softens the material due to partial hydration and cooking achieved during the process. This is the this is the twin screw extruder. Here the preconditioning material is applied. So when we need the preconditioning, it is generally referred as a part of the extrusion process. So however, not all the process require preconditioning. For product formulating needing less than 18% process of moisture, preconditioning process may be avoided. So this is the basic rule. This type of products are low moisture and highly expanded products such as corn puff. Due to the low process moisture requirement for such products, the mechanical energy generated by the screw inside the extruder barrel is sufficient to gelatinize the or dextrinize the starch. Dextrinize means half partialization. So here the formulation which need greater than 18 to 20% of moisture and longer residing time. For that purpose, preconditioning helps in the process and product quality. So if your product have the more percentage of the moisture, then you surely have to precondition it for longer duration to held inside the extruder, so that there should not be any uh, disadvantages. So at higher moisture, if the preconditioning is excluded, then the product may not be completely cooked due to low residence time and low shear inside the extruder. So alternately, in order to achieve the same degree of cooking as with preconditioner, the mechanical shear and barrel temperature may have to be raised and or in the length is to diameter ratio, that is length of extruder of barrel as compared to its diameter, it has to be increased. So these are the conditions. So these changes would expose the product to high shear conditions and would lead to quality issues such as an increase in the dextrination and burning of the material. So if your product kept inside the barrel for longer duration, the burning could occur. So to avoid that, to avoid the dextrination, we should use the preconditioning. Therefore, the higher moisture recipes benefit from the being preconditioned prior to the entering the extruder for final cooking. So even before the final cooking, the precondition should be done. The cooking process initiated inside the preconditioner helps fully cook the product inside the extruder. So the cooking does not start during the extrusion process, but it itself start before the extrusion in the preconditioner. So now we'll see what are the benefits of preconditioning. So it offers many benefits including initiating the cooking process, contributing to better ingredient mixing, reducing wear on the extruder due to the reduction in the abrasiveness of the raw material. It means if your product is high in size or greater in size, so it may do some damage to the mixer or whatever material. So to avoid that, preconditioning is important to reduce the wear and tear of the extrudant. So allowing for the addition of extra ingredients like meat, slurry and oil in the recipe, adding thermal energy to the process and thus lowering the need for higher mechanical energy inside the extruder, increasing the throughput of the extruder due to low energy requirements, increasing the possibility of using slightly higher particle size ingredients for products like extruder cereals and thereby bringing its flavor and texture close to the traditional cooked cereal. The next one is improving the product quality and extending the life of wear component inside the extruded barrel. That's it. Thank you.